today's video I'm really excited because we're going to be riding a 3-hour boat in Dubai.
Pillows like that, Cheese. Cheese.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, thanks so much for watching. In today's video I'm really excited because we're going to be riding a 3-hour boat in Dubai at Marina Bay with food included, lunch included. You got the kids inside at the lounge. So with that said, let's get started. This is the one that we have booked right here, the afternoon one. They have dinner cruise, speedboat, and this one. So I booked this on Tour. I'll put the link in the description for all 5 of us, including all 3 kids. It was $327. We had a promo code that we were able to use, or coupon should I say, for 27 bucks. So it made it $300 for 3 hours, everybody with the meal included. So you can check out the company's website or Tour, see which one's cheaper for you when you book this during your time. Sheila, you excited?
Let's go put that.
Where? Where we go?
We
go there?
Yeah. I'll put in my backpack.
You bring your backpack?
Yeah.
Backpack? And where's Rainbow?
In that one.
Show Rainbow.
Look. Let's go.
Let's go. See though, where are you going?
Eating buffet.
Eating buffet? See though? I like your bag.
And I got my...
Alright, we're on board. Easy process. Strollers are here.
Yeah.
So surprisingly they let us a stroller bring here, but so far so good. It's a big boat.
Yeah, I like it. It's nice.
It's gonna be really windy. This mic is gonna be really tested today.
It's nice breeze.
Yeah, we got cover. Alright guys, so you see a little boat right there? You can ride it from the blue waters by the Dubai Eye here for 5 dirham per person. I came to the right place. This is where I parked my car.
my God, it works. It's the best $20 I spent. Alright guys, this is the Hilton Jumeirah that we stayed at a couple weeks ago. If you've not seen that video, definitely go check it out. Amazing hotel. It's one of our favorite hotels in Dubai. Alright guys, so part of the package is lunch. So this is the buffet lunch you can have. You have burgers, hot dogs. You got awesome guys here helping out, serving. There you go. So, people saying hello on the other side. Thank you guys. Let's taste this. Very good. I think the best thing is the burger, Sarah?
Yeah.
Burger?
It's nice.
Burger's good, huh? There you go guys, Burj Al Arab, right here, right behind us. Only 7-star hotel in the world. Average room cost, I think, $15,000 a night. Alright, here's a close-up of Burj Al Arab. It's definitely been a bumpy ride so far, but you know, they told us ahead of time we could reschedule for tomorrow or stick with today, so we decided to stick with today. So we knew it was going to be bumpy coming into the boat. How was the boat?
It's very wiggly.
Very wiggly?
Yeah, wiggly.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggly, wiggly.
Marwa, where's your life jacket? Pillow? Pillow's life jacket?
She's scared.
I'm not scary.
Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly.
No.
Alright guys, just finished the boat tour. 3 hours is probably a long time for it, honestly. I passed out, took a little nap. The waters were bumpy, so if they say the weather conditions are not good, I highly recommend you skip it and do it on a different day that is more favorable. So, but if I had to pick between this or the sand safari, the desert safari, I would definitely pick the safari. That's my vote, that's the kids' vote, and Sarah's vote. So you got 5 votes saying the same thing, unless you're just like a boat fanatic. So, you know, good experience, you know, very positive reviews for the company right here. You know, they're all over the place. They got commercials all over the place. So they're definitely the top G here in Dubai. They own a lot of boats, but positive review. Maybe try that boat. That boat is bigger and it seems like it's a smoother ride. I think that's the dinner boat. That's what it is. That's the Marina boat right there, guys. Marina boat right here. That boat costs 5 dirham. Here's another one right here. Ocean Empress. That one looks cool. That one looks really cool. Blue Waters 5 dirham boat puts you right here, and Marina Mall is literally right there. That's Marina Mall right there, boat right there. Alright guys, that's the ex-Dubai zipline in Marina. The cost is $240 per person, so it's pretty expensive, but it's hell of an experience. Everybody talks about it, so definitely recommend it. I'm gonna go check out the tickets, see if I can do it. I know it's like a week out, so we can do it before we get out of Dubai. Alright folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry, we have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much, and please don't forget to follow us.